Now that you've learned how to set recordings, we're going to show you how to play them. To access your recordings from the on-screen program guide, press the back button on your Roku remote to open the top navigation bar. Then press the left or right arrow on your Roku remote until you have highlighted Recordings. From here, press the up or down arrow of your remote to scroll through the recording options: Current Recordings, Upcoming Recordings, or Series Rules. To play a program that has already been recorded, highlight Current Recordings and scroll through them by pressing the left or right arrow on your Roku remote. Once you have found a program or program series that you would like to watch, press the OK button of your remote. If it is just one program, press the up or down arrow of your remote until you have highlighted Watch, and then press OK to watch the program. If you started watching the program earlier, you will have the option to resume where you left off or to start over with the program. If the program is part of a series of recorded programs, there will be a list of series programs that you can scroll through that includes the record date. Highlight the one you want to watch and press the OK button on your remote and follow the same instructions for playing a single program. And that's all there is to it. The recording program feature puts you in control so you can watch TV when you want to watch it.